So doing the thermostat on a 2011 and up Porsche Cayenne 3.6 VR6 engine. This is where the thermostat housing is. There's 3 torque screws. It's T25 torques. So it's 3 of them. It's one here, one on the bottom, and one right there. This is the hose that connects to it, the radiator hose. I'm kind of doing this in reverse. I'm actually putting it back together, but to make some room, I moved this positive wire here. It's basically clips. There's a clip. There's a plastic clip right there. So that clips onto the hose. So I unclipped it from the hose, and then there's also another mounting clip right here on this metal bracket, and then it routes over here. So I unclipped it from there, unclipped it from the hose, and just moved it out of the way, and that's how I was able to get the a little more room for me to get my tool on the clamp for the radiator hose. Yeah, and actually that's some of the thing. If you're DIY, these tools are lifesavers for removing these German clips right here. So you get you one of these, it'll make your life a whole lot easier. Another thing is they actually moved these hoses there together. It's a set, so they have this rubber holding this smaller hose on the bottom to the larger one. So it's a set of hoses, they go together, and there's a bracket, so they sit a little lower. They sit down here, so you can see it's kind of like right in your way. So I just pull them up and over this bracket. Try not to break it, because that's part of the intake manifold, so you are pretty much screwed, I guess, if we break it. Yeah, so that gives you that little bit of extra room, so you can get down there, get to the hose clamp, and do what you gotta do. So you can get the hose out, move it out the way, and then you can get to the 3 torque screws, remove the housing, and you get to the thermostat. So that's what the thermostat looks like. This is the old one. I already put the new one in. Yeah, just it's a pretty much straightforward. I decided to make a video because I didn't see anybody else having a YouTube video of where the thermostat is on one of these, or how to remove and install the new one. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and it's helpful to somebody that's decided to do some work on their vehicle. Have a blessed day.